I've already started preparing to remove the cylinder head from this 350 Bullet Trials machine, and I just wanted to try and see if I could turn the engine to a point where the exhaust valve might close to get the weight off the push rod. There's quite a lot of slop on the inlet push rod. The exhaust one is tight. So I went round the other side here. I've got the decompressor out as well, and I decided that I would just try and turn the engine carefully at the crankshaft and see if I could get the weight off the exhaust valve push rod. The only problem is I can only turn the engine that far either way before it comes to a stop. Initially I thought, oh, I wonder what's wrong inside the engine, because I'd been told that the engine had tightened up. But if we look at the primary chain, you'll see that there's weight coming on the top run of the primary chain when I try and turn the engine in the direction it runs. If I back up the other way, it goes slack, and the bottom run of the primary chain goes tight. So that tells me that there could be a problem in the gearbox. Currently got it in neutral, and the rear wheel is spinning freely. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to undo this lot, these three bolts here, the pressure plate, springs and everything, get that lot out the way so I can put a spanner on the clutch centre nut and see what's happening, and also it will free up the engine from the gearbox, and I'll soon be able to find out if I can spin the crank round and round, and I expect I probably will be able to, and that the whatever's bringing it to a stop may be gearbox related. So that's my next move.